Okay, this is our video on how to
Crack a back. This is the backcracker, episode 1.
Hey, no clowning around. Today we're very serious because you could hurt your ex's nails and your fucking necks too.
You mess it up, you look like Hunchback on the other line.
First you take right hand.
Right hand.
Right hand. Right here? No, right here. That's some good shit. Just like this.
No.
Okay. You cross your arms like you love your friend. What side you on, right?
I'm over here. You ready? This is the backcracker.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Take your cock and thrust into
Hey,
it.
no.
Into
No. That's not how you crack back.
Not into his back.
Oh,
Take
right.
it. Like this. It's no good shit.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 5.
Oh, this is the backcracker.
How do you feel, my friend?
That's a wonderful
Hey,
backcracker.
high
That's the
five.
backcracker.
Okay,
That's
fine.
the backcracker.
That's the
This is
backcrack.
how you do the backcrack. Pay attention closely. You don't do that.
Me and Joe.
You can really hurt somebody. So do a good job and take your time.
Bye-bye.